I'm a young adult, and I have too many clothes. I'm sure many of you can relate where I'm in this awkward situation between still owning clothes from middle school and high school and currently working an office job. My wardrobe encompasses everything in between. Some of these pieces have been with me for 3, 4+ moves between house to house, apartment to apartment, multiple cities. So please join me as I've put this off for way too long. Enough preamble. Let's do this. So my criteria for this clean out are, does it fit and do I wear it? The fit is pretty obvious. It either does or it doesn't. And I'm gonna be real with myself today. I know I'm not magically going to drop 3 pant sizes anytime soon. Whether I wear it or not is a little more nuanced, but I'm going to take into account 2 points. First is it too specialized? Do I only wear it once or twice a year or even fewer? Or can I only wear it with this one particular pair of pants? I need something that can work throughout my wardrobe. The second part is, do I feel good wearing it? Do I actually like the piece? Why am I holding on to something if I don't feel good, if I don't love it, if it just makes me feel weird every time I put it on? Enough's enough, we're getting rid of it. Okay, for dresses, I actually don't have too many, so this should go fast. My younger self had a lot of gender trauma, in which I mean the tomboy, roughhousing, video gamey, boys are just less drama type of way. I went through a large period of time not wearing, owning, or wanting anything to do with dresses or girly things in general. I could probably do some internal introspection to figure out what changed, but I don't have the time to unpack that today. I'm just here to try dresses on again. Wait, you can't see in this video, but these pants are really textured and I need to show them. Thank you. Okay, wait, I wanted to show these ones off too. I call them my banana leaf pants. We need to pause here for a minute. Girls, we need to be honest with ourselves here. My thighs touch, my thighs rub, my thighs stick, and they're always going to. I'm not a K-pop idol. I do not have Blackpink Lisa's legs. Repeat with me. I do not have Blackpink Lisa's legs. The sensation of my thighs rubbing together is so absolutely bonkers, and it took me until I was 24 to love myself and just buy longer shorts. Function is beating out fashion on this one. Does anybody else have a sock drawer that just has way too many socks in it? I wear the same 5 pairs of socks every week. I don't know why I have so many socks. What's especially egregious too about my sock drawer is just the amount of like me socks that I have that absolutely do not fit me. I think a big contributor to that is that I do live in Minnesota, and if you live in Minnesota, you need warm socks. What I have not taken into account, though, is that my calves are bigger than normal, so the knee socks never reach my actual knee because they're too busy cutting off circulation from my calves down. I think it's time to get rid of some of these. I hope this doesn't disappoint anybody too much, or if you are disappointed, you're weird. But I did recently go through my underwear drawer and got rid of all of the old, no longer serving me pairs of underwear and bras, so you do not get to see that today. Okay, don't come at me, but I did just recently discover Dickies. Yes, I did discover them. They were not found until I found them. Aren't they adorable? I love it. New day, new outfit. So, there we have it. This honestly wasn't the largest clean out that I've ever done, which I actually think is a good thing, because that means that I don't actually have that many clothes that I don't wear very often anymore. Recently I've gone through a style and mostly comfort change, so all the shorts and skirts that weren't comfortable anymore I'm getting rid of. There was a handful of sweaters and shirts that still I could technically wear, but were just maybe a little too tight around my shoulders or armpits. Really, a lot of these are still in really good shape, so I'll try to just donate them. Frankly, I can't be bothered to try to sell something. Just as long as somebody else gets more use out of it than I do, I'm perfectly happy. So let's just go organize my donation piles compared to my trash piles, and I'll meet up with you then. You know, now that I'm looking at it, I don't know if you can donate socks. Can you donate socks? Does that count as underwear? Socks?
Absolutely.
Okay, I think I have these piles figured out. These are my donates. These are my... I need to look them up. And these are my no-goes. They've been loved, they've been used, and it's time to go. And we're done. Except for actually going out and donating the clothes that I need to donate, because that might be another few weeks before I get around to do that, but don't tell anybody that. Hopefully this wasn't too underwhelming. I'm just a normal person with a normal amount of clothes. I know a lot of the really big closet clean out videos are of girls with, you know, dressers upon dressers, racks and racks and racks of clothes that they've accumulated somehow. Thankfully, I'm not at that point, so it's still a manageable size. Thank you so much for sticking through with me, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.